everyone, Tamara Linkowski here from healthytreatsmarket.com, and we are going to make a lemon cheesecake slider, okay? So what I do is I got a bowl here. I have a 1/4 cup of Baker's Basic cake mix, 2 tablespoons of unsalted melted butter. Make sure again that you use unsalted melted butter, otherwise you're not gonna be happy. It'll be too salty. See that? That's your crust, okay guys? And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the cream cheese frosting. Where's my cream cheese frosting? Right here. I'm gonna just take some of the cream cheese frosting here and put it in a bowl, and I'm gonna add 3 drops of lemon essential oil, okay? I love Young Living essential oils. I use them especially in food, and I use them in for a lot of other things, but see that? You just mix it up. And my cream cheese frosting is this easy to do, guys. All my recipes are this simple, so, okay, you might need a little bit more frosting. There we go. And we're gonna put this on top of the slider, so here you go. I'm gonna spread it out. I should get a spatula. There's a lot left in here that I can't scoop up with the fork. Okay, guys? Give me 1 second. I'm gonna use another fork. And you can always refrigerate this if you don't want to eat it right away, and it'll just get colder and even better, okay? But this is the lemon cheesecake slider. Now all I'm gonna do is put some whipped cream on top, and you have a delicious, like if you're craving lemon meringue pie or something like that, this will help satisfy your craving for you, okay? So for those of you lemon lovers like me, super simple. All my recipes are this simple. Come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. And if you don't live nearby, or even if you do live nearby, be sure to go visit healthytreatsmarket.com. That's where you find all these recipes. That's where you can find testimonies. That's where you can just see everything we have for sale and the different things that we do. Okay, guys? Thanks for watching. God bless you.